Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your personal identification number with US Bank easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your personal identification number with US Bank, begin by visiting the US Bank website. Locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Sign In button to access the login page. Under the password field, look for the Forgot Your PIN link and click on it. You will be directed to a new page asking for your account information. Enter your user ID and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Click Continue to proceed with the verification process. Follow the instructions provided to verify your identity. You may receive a verification code via text or email, depending on your preferred contact method. Enter the verification code in the designated field and click Submit. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new PIN. Choose a new PIN that meets the security criteria. Confirm your new PIN by entering it again in the provided field. After successfully completing the process, you will receive a confirmation message. Your new PIN is now set, and you can use it for your future transactions. If you have any issues during this process, consider contacting US Bank customer support for assistance. You can find their contact information on the website under the Help section. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.